Guys, welcome back to a bonus Super Bowl episode. Max is in the kitchen, and we're whipping up some jalapeno poppers. Ready, Max?
I don't know what I did with the mic.
Max, you lost your mic.
Oh, we're good.
It's unbelievable.
Okay. All right.
Ready?
Back.
All right, we're back. Jalapeno poppers, Max. Great Super Bowl snack. Wouldn't you agree?
I love jalapeno poppers. I've never seen jalapeno poppers like this, but I'm intrigued.
Okay, so we're doing a little bit of a twist. I have some mac and cheese that I've made here. If you click the link, one of these links, will be my recipe for mac and cheese. Or if you guys want to make it easy, it's the Super Bowl, you don't want to work too hard, you can do store-bought mac and cheese. Just get a good quality store-bought. They make some really good ones now where they have a full thick-on cheese sauce. They have, go a little higher brand. It's going to pay off. And then you can add a little cheese into yourself, a little butter, and you'll be fine. And then we have some bacon. And we have jalapeno. So we're basically doing bacon mac and cheese. Actually, jalapeno bacon mac and cheese is my favorite kind of mac and cheese. So we're gonna turn that into a popper. Sound good?
Sounds great.
Okay.
I don't see how it could be bad.
I don't either. And congrats, your Eagles are in the Super Bowl.
Shut up. This is fucked up. I may have to walk off the show right now. Well, that's crazy. Eagles, we are shooting this before the Eagles-Commanders game on Sunday. That was crazy.
That was crazy, but I take it back. But it's gonna be a good game, and then we're gonna enjoy some poppers. So do you want to help? Do you want to cut jalapenos?
Yeah, see, that was my question. I have done this before, and it's gone horribly for me.
As in how?
As in, I get stuff on my fingers, and then I touch my face.
Okay, yes.
And then it's painful.
Do you know how do you prevent that?
No, that's my question.
You want to know how you prevent that?
Yes.
You don't touch your face.
That's it?
That's it. You have to wash your hands, and you don't touch your face or take a piss. I made the same mistake. That was my first job.
Take a piss?
Oh my God, that was my first job in the kitchen. I had to cut like maybe 200, 300 jalapenos when I was a prep cook back in high school. Wasn't wearing gloves, went to the bathroom, came back. You can imagine, it's like putting icy hot down there. It was not
That was a thing that my JV baseball team, as someone lost a bet, they had to put icy hot on their balls.
Yeah. Jalapenos are even worse. Just the burning, no icy, just hot.
Voice crack there.
I know.
Little voice
I'm still growing. I'm clearly
growing boy.
I'm still growing. Okay, let's get you a knife. So yeah, I mean, to avoid it, you can wear gloves.
We're not doing that.
Who's gonna do that? The best way to do it is really you cut. So if your ends are touching the outside, you're fine. It's the pith and the seeds that are hot, as you know. So what you do?
What's this called? A pith?
The pith is the white part. Yeah.
Oh, I never knew that.
The pith, yeah, like the pith of an orange. The pith of it's a fruit, so it's got pith. So you take a spoon. If you hold just the outside, you can go right down there.
So what are we doing? Are we going no seeds in this?
We're going no seeds, minimal seeds, minimal pith, unless you want it like super spicy. But Max, if you do it like this, you're gonna have minimal contact with what's spicy. So that's what we're looking for. That goes in there. And to make it a jalapeno popper, because they all have a cream cheese in it, we're gonna throw a little cream cheese now into our mix. So now we got this beautiful cheesy mixture. And I'm gonna do one last thing. We're gonna top this with a little bit of a panko, a breadcrumb topping.
Ooh.
Let's take a little bit of butter.
Oh, there's so many of these jalapenos.
You don't have to do all of them. That's fine. That's good. I'm
gonna keep going.
No, that'll be good.
No.
I don't think. Look at okay. Do them all. Do them all.
I'm gonna touch my face. I know me, and I know that I'm probably gonna end up touching my face.
I shouldn't be using this.
What are you eating?
Huh?
What are you eating?
I just ate some cream cheese.
Oh.
I'm not gonna lie. I decided there's a little cream cheese on the spoon. I ate it.
I mean, who amongst us hasn't got a bagel of cream cheese and then a little bit comes out the side and you don't take a little bite?
That's the best part.
Yeah, who amongst us? Yeah, see?
We gotta do bagels too.
Oh, yeah.
Bread boys, tune in. It's coming.
That's
soon.
the one thing.
This will be out first.
That's one thing I found about Chicago. Bagels stink.
Yeah, I think it has to do with the water. But we know we can take a deep dive into that.
Yeah.
On our other show. What'd you do? You just throw one away?
I just threw one away. You said we didn't eat all of them.
You're right, but I didn't say throw them in the garbage.
It fell out of my hand. You want me to fish it out of the garbage?
No. It's what's done is done. You know what you could do? You want a little spicy? Let's take a little bit of the seeds. Let's take a little bit, and we're gonna put them in the.
Ooh, in there.
Put it in the mac and cheese.
Oh, I like that.
We're gonna chop up a little bit of the pith, a little bit of the seeds. This white part.
Ooh, yeah. Oh my God, I feel like that's gonna be real spicy.
Yeah, but
you want a little bit of a kick.
Sometimes
you get jalapenos and they're
not spicy. They're fruity.
It's a completely different. It's one vegetable or pepper or whatever this is called.
Fruit. It's a fruit.
Or fruit. But the spice level can go from so hot to like literally nothing.
Right. That's why whenever you're doing any kind of hot pepper, you should like take a bite of it because each of them have different levels. So take a little nibble of it.
I feel like that's a lot right there.
I don't know. Let's see how spicy. Should we just try it?
It's okay.
It's really not that bad. Yeah, try a little piece. It's really not bad. We can handle that.
No, that's fine.
I got some panko breadcrumbs. It's going into some melted butter. This is gonna be our topping.
I think that's enough. I'm kind of done with this.
That's good. That's enough. You did your.
If there's more, then I'll actually.
No.
You know what? I got nothing to do right now. I take it back. Everything I said was a lie.
Can we count how many times he's quit and come back to
ADD.
doing this? Okay, so I'm gonna start stuffing these.
All right. Perfect timing.
Perfect.
Last one.
So we want them about like that. You want a good heaping serving. If you want to stuff too, why not?
Yeah. I feel like you gotta like.
I know some of these are.
We gotta like wrap
actually,
these.
You
Or
should have done it
something.
like this, where you have to leave the end on. That's a good move by you.
I didn't even try to do that.
Yeah, but once it bakes, it's all gonna kind of set in here. You need a little crispy coating on top.
Let's see how spicy this little mix.
Yeah, take a bite of that. I'm curious. Not bad, right? Spicy? Talk to me, Goose.
No, not spicy.
I mean, we could put cayenne pepper on. We could sprinkle cayenne pepper on. We go nuts.
On top, but we already made them all.
Yeah, but we could do
Oh yeah, yeah, that's a good idea. Do that.
a little cayenne. I think that's perfect.
Yep. All right.
Let's put these in the oven. 400 degrees. 10, 15 minutes. We gotta be able to fit this last one on. Max worked so hard, yeah.
Well, I always watch videos about overcrowding stuff.
Yeah, that's really like, everything should have its own space. If it's like everything's touching each other, it starts to steam and you can, have issues there. This is like, as long as everything is, see, this all has enough space. 400 degrees, 10, 15 minutes.
That's great.
Boom. 15 minutes later, we're ready to pull these out.
I mean,
Come on.
they look phenomenal from here.
Come on. Look at that. Look at that.
You're showing up to a Super Bowl party with these?
Yeah, you're winning.
Yeah.
You're winning.
How
They're
hot
so
is
hot.
it?
Well,
Yeah,
I was gonna say. I want to dive in. I really want to dive in. They're hot. Maybe you can come up with a quick sauce though on the spot. What do you think? We're gonna do. This is just quick, right off the dome.
We got any herbs?
We have some herbs. Of course, we have herbs.
All right, yeah. You need some herbs if you're making a ranch of sorts. I've been making like a healthier blue cheese at home.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like a little bit of light mayo, some Greek yogurt, lemon, Worcestershire sauce.
Okay, I like that. That's
good.
nice.
What did you think of my pronunciation right there?
Well, better than mine, dude. I can't.
Yeah.
I like gave up on trying. I get roasted every time I try to say. I say Worcestershire. And that's not right. Worcestershire. So I stopped.
I don't
trying.
know if I was right, but it sounded confident, which is basically all.
That's
you really
all you
need.
do. Or you
Yeah.
just mumble through it,
Yeah.
and then and then cut that chipotle pepper up too. And there you go. Now we have a quick and easy dipping sauce. Excuse me.
Oh, a little lemon.
A little lemon.
How'd I do?
Fine.
I'll take fine. Let's see, I'll cut off my finger before I do that.
Max, give that a stir.
I can do that. I can stir.
Give that a stir, and then we'll eat.
I mean, this is a hell of a sauce that you just kind of put
Right?
together.
You like
here.
that? It's quick sauce.
Yeah. All right, should I grab one?
Grab one, yeah. We're gonna go no sauce at first.
Okay.
All right, cheers. Here we go.
Cheers, cheers. It was good, but it's hot. Maybe if you're making it at home.
Wait a little longer.
Really good though. Really, really good.
Fantastic. All right, guys. That's going to do it for this little bonus episode. Enjoy Sunday. Enjoy the Super Bowl. We'll see you next time. Peace.
Hot.
Yeah, it is hot.